This is a cream that will help remove sunburn, wrinkle, help with hyperpigmentation, and generally moisturize your face. Hey y'all, so I promised all my students that I'm going to put their logos on my videos and try to promote their business. So please guys, let's go and show Beauty some love. She's on Instagram and she's on WhatsApp, and her email address is also on the screen. She's into skincare and so many other things, so please check her out on Instagram, follow her on Instagram, and patronize her and try to get her business out there. Thank you Beauty for participating in this training. I hope you gained a lot from it. I hope you use the recipes wisely, and I pray that your business will flourish and grow, and I want to see you at the top because I want all of us to win. So thank you once again, and guys, don't forget, please go show her some love. Okay, thank you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Azelic, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. I feel like it's been ages since I've been here. I've been so busy, but I'm back, and I'm back with so much goodies. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very moisturizing face cream. Very moisturizing. It will help with uneven skin, wrinkles, and other things. This is a pro-mixing method. Now I know a lot of you say that my pro-mixing is way different from what others are doing. Yes, I don't see any reason why, because I'm pro-mixing a product, I should spoil my skin. Now I use my products, so I make sure that I'm using products or ingredients that are safe, and I make sure that I'm using them at their usage percentage rate. Okay, all right, without any further ado, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take this time to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you share my videos and leave your comments in the comment section. Now these are the ingredients some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. This is my base cream that I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'm going to be using some other ingredients, but I will show that along the way. I'm going to be putting the percentage for these ingredients on the screen for you guys, so you definitely want to watch this video till the end. Now if you are interested in a small group training within March, reach out to me on WhatsApp. Let me see what I can do within this period. All right, so here I have my cocoa butter and I have my mango butter in here. You guys know how I love adding my butters in my face cream. I also have my Giga White powder and my Licorice powder in this bowl, and next I have my Azelic acid in this bowl. Every ingredient will be listed in the video, so just keep watching. Here I have my Sim White powder in this bowl, and we're also going to be using papaya extract. This is a very, very good product when it comes to your face. It will help with fine lines. It will help with the elasticity of your skin. It is very, very good for your face. So these are some of the ingredients that we're going to be using. I'm going to go ahead now to dissolve my powders, and then we'll come back and mix them in my base cream, which is my face base cream, my baby face base cream. And this base cream is available for sale if you want it. I have them in different quantities. Just hit the link down below to get me on WhatsApp so you can get this product. This base is very good for the face. It will give you that baby smoothness. Now you can use this base on your face on its own, and it will give you a flawless, clean result. And your kids can also use this base on their skin, and you will love their skin. So I call it my baby base. Now these are some of the ingredients. As we go on, I will show you some other ones. I'm just going to go ahead now to dissolve my powders and then come back and we'll start mixing them together. I will start by dissolving or melting down my my butters, not shea butters. I'll start by melting down my butters. all my powders and oils are dissolved and melted. I have my azelaic acid, I have my Giga White and Licorice powder, I have my same white powder and other powders that have been dissolved, including my butter. Now you want to know that if you want a smaller amount of oil in your cream, you can reduce the amount of butter, but I love the creaminess that the butter gives to the cream, so I went ahead to add half and half of my butter and my base cream. So basically my butter and my creams are my base. Okay, so I'm just going to mix that and make sure that everything is well incorporated. Now I'm going to add my other ingredients one after the other. Now I know that a lot of you will say, oh, this thing is too watery. No, it's like this because the oil is still very, very hot. It's still liquidy. So once you finish this process, you can put it in your container and then pop it in the fridge, and then by the morning or after a few hours, you see that everything is more solid. Not solid, but it's more creamy like. Now I'm going to whisk a bit just to incorporate everything that I have done. But please, if you're doing this, use a bigger bowl. I was just being lazy here. Use a bigger bowl, please. Now I'm going to add glycerin for moisture. If you don't know about your ingredients and other things, you want to watch this video right here. It will help you understand your ingredients and other things that I talked about in that video. Now remember, I said this was a pro-mixing video, so this is me adding my serums and some other ingredients that I would use to boost my face cream. Here is our papaya extract, which is a very good product or ingredient. Like I said, I will leave all the ingredients in the description, or I will leave it in the video, so you want to watch this video till the very end. I'm sorry, I sound really down. I'm really tired, and I just needed to put out a video for you guys because it's been a long time. Now our trainings are coming to an end. Our second batch is ending this week Friday, and I'm really grateful to everyone who has participated. For the people who really benefited from the training, thank you so much. The videos for the training will be uploaded here on YouTube, but it will be on private, so if you want to see that video, those videos, you might want to pay for them. We'll have our next batch of training in sometime in March, sometime in April, but right now we have our one-on-one or private classes going on. So if you would want to have a private class with me, you use the link in the description to send me a WhatsApp message, and I'll send you the model, everything that you're going to get. And yes, you will be given certificates to show completion of the course, and I'm going to be sharing with you where you can get your ingredients as well. After the course, you're going to also get my new ebook, recipe book, that is coming up, so you definitely want to take this advantage and learn well. If you want to learn everything about skincare formulation, it is not by joining 10,000 naira class, 5,000 naira class. You want to really go into this business, you want to really invest in it. So if you want to join, if you want to get a personal training with me, then use the link in the description bar. You can also get my ebook. It's still available. You can use the link down below to get the ebook. But our next group training is going to be in April, and if you're interested, please use the link down below to send me a direct WhatsApp message. I'm done with creating groups, general groups with all the drama. Now, all the ingredients that I have mentioned or I have used in this video, even if I didn't mention, are going to be listed in the description bar or in the video with their percentage the formula. That's the formula, not the recipe. You will have to make it into a recipe for yourself. That's making it into how much of each ingredient you want in this product. And to know that, you need to know about your ingredient usage percentage rate. And if you don't know that and you're making creams, I'm sorry, you are going to hurt people, because the ingredients that you use have their manufacturer's usage percentage rate, and if you don't use them at the appropriate usage rate, you will end up causing burns and other skin disorder for people. So please, if you are not familiar with these things, don't sell anything to anybody. Go for proper training, learn these things. And this video is just a quick video to just show you guys how to make this cream. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the thumbs up button, and make sure you leave me your comments, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.